Okay, so what about when we have a circuit that has more resistors? So here we've got 6 volts, so we're changing our voltage, and we've got 2 100 ohm resistors. And if we look at our conventional current path from positive to negative, we start at positive, we go through one resistor, we go through the other resistor, and back to negative. So let's just pull the wires out of this, because it'll make it a little bit clearer. So here I have my positive and my negative wire. Those are going into my breadboard. Right? Starting over at positive, right, we're going through, and the first thing we need to connect to is a resistor. So I'm going to grab myself a cable and plug that into one of the rows. And then I need to find my 100 ohm resistors. Those are 200s. These are 100s. So I've got 200 ohm resistors. They'll be in a tub for you. And notice that they have stripes on them. So they are, what are they? I'm colorblind. I can't read that. If we want to confirm that they are, in fact, 100 ohm resistors, we can, of course, get our multimeter, put it in the ohm setting, make sure the leads are in the right spot, and we can confirm. So clip one lead there, one lead there, one lead there, and 98.5 ohms. So that's a 100 ohm resistor, right? They're never going to be exact unless you buy really, really fancy ones. So I've got my 100 ohm resistors. And what I need to do, right, is I need to take positive into one side of my resistor. These don't have a direction they need to go. So again, just bend it so that it's vaguely staple shaped, and I can plug that in there like that, right? And then the current pathway goes through that first resistor and then through a second resistor. So it goes from positive through this first resistor. So we need to go from here, this row, to another resistor. Right, so now we're here on the other side of this resistor, over here, and we need to take that back to negative. So we can get our cable, and we can take that back to negative. Now, if I want to know what the current is through this circuit, then I can break it open and I can put my ammeter between here and negative using another cable. All right, but let me connect it to power and then I'll show you all of that.